In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books to manage your business finances efficiently and effectively, all in just 5 minutes. Our first step is straightforward. Start by opening your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you prefer, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, they all work just fine. In the address bar, type in Zoho and initiate the search. Once your search results load, you'll want to click on the first link you see, or more preferably, the one that has zoho.com in its URL. This ensures you're directed to the official Zoho website, which is crucial for accessing the right functionalities and maintaining your data security. Once you land on the Zoho homepage, you'll need to either log in to your existing account or sign up if you're new to Zoho. Signing up is simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and remember to fill in all necessary details accurately for a seamless experience. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to Zoho Books from the list of services. This will direct you to the Zoho Books dashboard, your central hub for all accounting tasks. Arriving at the dashboard, you'll notice a gear icon, typically located at the top right corner. Click on it to access settings, where you can personalize your experience. Here, it's a good idea to add your company logo and ensure your fiscal year, reporting basis, and currency are set correctly according to your business operations. Next up, before diving into invoicing, it's important to add the products or services your business offers. Head over to Items, click on New, and now you can enter the item's details like its name, price, and associated accounts. This preparatory step saves time and reduces the risk of errors when creating invoices. To further streamline your invoicing, you'll want to add your customers and vendors to your address book. This will allow you to quickly populate sales and purchase transactions without having to repeatedly input basic information. Now let's focus on generating invoices. Navigate to the Sales module and select Invoices. Click on the New button to create a sales invoice. Or if you're elsewhere in the application, you can use the Quick Create button for swift access. Shifting gears to expenditures, go over to Purchases and Expenses. Here, you can log all of your company's spending. Enter details like the amount, applicable tax, and which vendor is associated with the expense. An essential step is connecting your bank accounts through the Banking section. Doing this allows you to reconcile your bank statements with your recorded transactions in Zoho Books, which is vital for monitoring cash flow and financial health. Lastly, if you're working with a team, you'll find it efficient to invite other users into your Zoho Books account. Go to the User Management settings, where you can assign specific roles to control who has access to different features. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to mastering Zoho Books, giving you a solid foundation to manage your business finances effectively. Happy accounting!